How about this magnifying glass as a gift for someone who does a lot of craft work? For a couple of reasons. One, this has 3 different magnifications. The main lens is 3x magnification. This smaller one inside the main one is 4.5, so just a bit more. But for someone who's doing craft work and painting or something, this is a quick way to see a little bit more detail. And then this one in the handle is 25x. So a much more aggressive magnifier. And the nice thing about it is there's 3 AAA batteries in the handle. And then there's this button that turns on these LED lights. So now when you go to the 25x, you've got light there so that it's useful. So this is for someone who's going to be doing crafting. But as you can imagine, this is going to be a useful magnifier for lots of different reasons. It's very lightweight and compact. It's actually got a film on the lenses now. I didn't want to take that off for the video, but there's a protective film on both sides of the lenses and ship it. Hope this helps.